In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a table of contents in Google Docs. This skill can make navigating your documents much easier, especially if you're working with lengthy reports or collaborative projects. So let's dive right in and get started with this handy feature. First, you'll want to open up your Google Docs and navigate to the document you want to work on. Once you have it in front of you, take a moment to scan your document. Understanding the overall structure is critical because you'll be creating links to various sections from your table of contents. Next, highlight the part of the text that will serve as your header in the document. This would typically be your chapter names or main sections. It's essential here to apply the heading styles provided by Google Docs. Simply go to the toolbar at the top, click where it says Normal Text, and select the heading style you prefer, such as Heading 1 or Heading 2. Doing this will enable Google Docs to recognize these as sections when generating the table of contents. Now, it's time to insert your table of contents. Position your cursor where you'd like the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of the document. Go to the Insert menu at the top, hover over Table of Contents, and you'll see a variety of styles to choose from. You can opt for a plain text table of contents or fancier options like those with links or with numbers. Choose the style that best fits your document needs and click on it. Once inserted, the table of contents will automatically populate with the headings you previously formatted. This is a great moment to double-check that all your headings are correct and in their proper levels, because the table of contents reflects your document's outline. After inserting the table of contents, you'll be able to click on any item in the list, and it will take you directly to that section of your document. However, if you make further edits or add more sections, remember that the table of contents won't automatically update. To refresh it, simply click on the table of contents itself, and you'll see a small refresh icon appear. Click this icon, and your table of contents will update with the latest changes to your document. That's it! You've successfully linked a table of contents in Google Docs. This tool is a great way to ensure your readers can easily navigate your document, especially when dealing with larger documents where scrolling manually could be cumbersome. Remember to keep your document structured, maintaining consistent heading styles to make the most out of this feature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to implement these steps in your next project to improve document accessibility and navigation.